I just quickly want to start off by apologizing for not having a video up yesterday. Funny thing is, I did record a video, I just didn't even bother to upload it onto YouTube. Um, I could give an excuse. I was busy at work or I was tired from work, but end of the day, I didn't do it. So I'm not even going to bother giving an excuse and just say, I'm sorry for not having a video up. Uh, anyway, this devlog is going to be more of a, I don't know, like, I know I haven't been as jokey or entertaining as I want to be in these devlogs. I just kind of, because I've just been talking about my games, but this one's definitely going to be a little bit more serious as I've encountered a kind of a big problem. So right here is the step event. By the way, working in Game Maker Studio too, and it would be, if this video gets out to someone who might know what's going on, I would highly appreciate it because I'm being hit with a pretty kind of a game breaking bug, and I don't know how to solve it because we're gonna just do this. So if we change that's to a game restart. Alright, so how I have the code set up for those you don't know. I have it if health is less than or equal to 0, lose 1 life. And when that happens, the room restarts. But if lives are less than or equal to 0, right now I have it set up for game restart. So anyway, another problem I realized the other day is that I didn't properly code it the other day, where I was pretty much like, I could have clicked anywhere on the screen, it'll transfer me over to a different room, which wasn't a problem, at this early stage of title screen where I just, have a start button, nothing else. That would have been fine. However, if I kept that, didn't realize, that was an issue, I added more buttons into the game, I would have been freaking out. But yeah, I figured it out. So when you press the button, I'll start the game, and I'll just rack up some points, playing my game. Now, health is about to go 0. There we go. Game restarts. No problem there. So if I do room restart, let's just go to the game. Just gotta load again. Press start. Woo, look at me having so much fun with my game. Almost hit that building. Woo, ow. Oh no. Isn't this the best Let's Play video ever, guys? Ha ha ha. And, okay, so lives are 0. That's what's happening with room restart, but I don't want the room to restart when you have 0 lives, obviously. But what will happen is, lives will just continue going down and read negative. Go into the negatives. That's not the game-breaking bug. No. Now, I'm going to tell you, I plan on having a game over screen. Alright, and sorry about the vehicles. I have the window open. It's really hot, so I'm not going to even bother shutting it. Anyway, right now, it's bare bones right now because I just want to make sure the game works. Which, the problem is, it's not. This is where the big bug happens. Go to RM game over. Alright. And alright. So theoretically, when you lose 0 lives, it should go to the game over screen, right? Let's run the game and see what happens. Alright, look at me. Oh no, I'm being attacked by tanks. I'm about to... And game froze. Can't do anything. Can't press restart. I can't press space. Game is completely... it broke. So... yeah. That's kind of a major issue, and it's very stressful at the moment because I have like 10 days to get this game ready for an early access version, which, to some people it doesn't matter, the state. You know, just like, oh well, just get out whatever you have. But I still don't want to have. And I understand, you know, with early access, there's bound to be bugs that you don't know that happens. But I don't want to send out an early access version of a game that I know has a game-breaking bug. Not if for a bug that I know about. I do not feel comfortable about sending out a game with a bug. And by the way, the game object is persistent, and it's only set up in the title room, you know, not in the game over in room 1, and it works fine for room 1. Quickly though, I will just show you what if I get over to the game over screen. I'll just go to objects here. We're gonna get object game. I'll just set it right there. Doesn't matter. I'm gonna play. Because here's the weird thing. Whoop, didn't mean to do that. And oh no, look at me losing health. See, that's what happens. Got 2 game objects, but it goes to the game over screen. It destroys the score for some reason, but there's 2 game objects. The score is 0 for looks superior. Both of them, you know, lives are both set at 1. I think the health is different. Maybe no, it's not. They're both 10, and that's fine. But the problem is I can't have 2 game objects. I cannot. Originally I thought, okay, maybe it's the alarm how I've had it set up, where if room does not equal room 1, exit. Thought that was in, but I took that out and I still have issues. Only thing I haven't tried is the positioning of the game object, changing that up, but it shouldn't be a problem because they're same width and height, so I have no idea what's going on. Maybe I shouldn't have, you know, and I'm sorry, my mouse has been lagging on me this for the past half an hour. It's really annoying me, like this game. If we go back to workspace, maybe I shouldn't have it set up like this, but it seemed to be working fine with everything else, so I don't know why it's having such an issue to go to a room without the aid of a different game object. I haven't tried, I will admit, I haven't tried playing the game object in just the game over room, but I don't think that's going to solve my issue, because the game's breaking. And yeah, I'm gonna learn how to do debug mode because I haven't learned how to do that yet, but yeah, it's been very frustrating to say the least, development, you know, right now, because A, it's getting hot outside and you don't want to be working in the heat, and 2, and just this one bug that I can't solve is breaking my game, and I have a deadline that I put out for myself, and I don't want, and here's the reason, big reason why I do not want to delay the early access, you know, announcing early access for this game. Godzilla King of the Monsters comes out May 31st. That is going to be that is going to make this game trend, you know, because this game is inspired by Godzilla. There's no doubt about that. But, you know, and it's because of that, I kind of want to piggyback. And I know this is going to make me sound like attention hungry, viewer hungry, money hungry, or greedy, whatever. But I want to get my game out there, even though I am a small... Like, I want to get out there as much as I can. And I want to do it while Godzilla will be trending. And if I can't do that, if I miss that, that's going to hurt my game. It's going to hurt out getting my game out there, potentially. If I miss something. And what even sucks is that because I'm focusing so much on that bug right now, I haven't bothered to create any sound effects for the game. There's still some missing artwork to the game, like a ton of missing artwork, but I'm thinking way ahead. But there's still some immediate things where I need to have a better tile screen, and I need to have some sound effects. Maybe not music right yet, but I need to have something, some sound effects there to make sure sound works properly. And I need a better tile screen. There's still quite a bit of things to add, and that's just in game itself. I haven't bothered talking about I guess the marketing thing. I haven't made a cover image yet, which is like, are you kidding me right now? I kind of have to get working on that as well. Get some artwork for make some artwork for the marketing, I guess, for the game. Like a cover image and stuff like that. I feel like part of me is a little overwhelmed right now. So I think what's best for me is that for the rest of the day, I'm not going to focus on the game itself. I'm going to probably work on artwork. Artwork does, it can be relaxing to an extent, but I think I need to just take a step back from the game itself, tackle the bug tomorrow with a more refreshed and less fried up brain. Yeah, game development is not all glamorous, especially when deadlines come to fruition and the game decides, oh, you want to get your game out in 10 days there? Well, we're gonna give you a game-breaking bug. Yep, we're gonna give you that bug that's breaking your game. It'll break your game so bad, so bad. You're gonna be crying. Yeah. Anyway, that's my poor impression of what my game's doing to me. Anyway, that's it for this video. If honestly, if you're watching this and Game Maker Studio 2 more than I do, guys, I've only been developing games on my own with Game Maker Studio 2 since early March. No, not early March, late March. So almost 2 months now. Actually, pretty much 2 months I've been Game Maker Studio 2. If you know what's happening, or if you know someone who might know what's happening, I would really appreciate a comment. Tell me, hey, what am I doing wrong? That's kind of what I need right now. But other than that, be awesome, stay awesome, and I will hopefully see you guys in the next video. Take care.